Tell him.
This is the best group I've seen in the bands I watched earlier. They are the best.
That's wrong. You guys hear it? I'm not playing until you guys are liking that guitar sound. You guys tell me when that guitar is loud enough. I got all day. Pat don't, but I do. You guys hear that guitar? Yeah! You like that? Yeah! I want to make you guys happy. You like that? I want to hear it. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna fight them off. A 7-nation army couldn't hold me back. They're gonna rip it off, taking their time right behind my back. And I'm talking to myself out loud, 'cause I can't forget. Back and forth through my mind behind a cigarette. When the message coming through my mind said, find a home. I can't hear you, Loudonville. That's right. Don't wanna hear about it. Every single one's got a story to tell. Everyone knows about it. From the Queen of England to the hounds of hell. If I catch you coming back my way, I'm gonna serve it to you. And that ain't what you wanna hear, but that's what I'll do. And the message coming through my mind said, find a home. I can't hear you! That's what I'm talking about. You guys rock. I'm going to Wichita, far from this opera forevermore. I'm going to work the store, make the mad trip out every pore. And I plead a minute, plead it right before the law. Well, the trust is gonna bleed from me, and I will say no more. When the